In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and Avata Explorer Drone Combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product, offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. The drone features an upgraded camera system, offering ultra-smooth 4K footage with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155 degrees FOV, providing next-level imagery. Despite its compact palm-sized design, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. The Avata drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard, allowing it to handle minor contact and continue flying. The drone is backed by DJI O3 Plus video transmission, providing a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The Avata Explorer Combo is compliant with FAA remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. When comparing the HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone and the DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo, a few key differences stand out. The HS175D, priced at $169.99, offers a 46-minute flight time, a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustable lens, and various intelligent functions, making it an excellent value for its price. On the other hand, the DJI Avata, priced at $829, offers an 18-minute flight time and features an upgraded camera system with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155-degree FOV, providing next-level imagery. The Avata also offers DJI O3 Plus video transmission, delivering a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. While the HS175D is designed with a foldable fuselage for easy storage and portability, the Avata is compact and palm-sized, ideal for agile maneuvers. Both drones are highly rated with a review score of 4.1, but the HS175D has a higher number of reviews, suggesting a larger user base. In conclusion, the HS175D provides a longer flight time and a more affordable price, while the Avata offers superior camera quality and video transmission. Each drone has its own unique strengths, so the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and budget of the user.